Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, October 22nd. As you can see, I'm back home in Cozumel, although you may not recognize my house since somehow in 2 months it's turned from a beach bungalow into a jungle bungalow. This is so impressive. Anyway, we continue from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. And today's essay is titled The Next Moment of Love. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a passage from Thomas Merton. To allow oneself to be carried away by a multitude of conflicting concerns, to surrender to too many demands, to commit oneself to too many projects, to want to help in everything, is to succumb to violence. The frenzy of the activist neutralizes their work of peace. Wow, that's interesting. So let's read on. Merton wisely challenges us not just to slow down, but at the heart of it, to accept our limitations. We are at best filled with the divine, but we have only two hands and one heart. In a deep and subtle way, the want to do it all is a want to be it all. And though it comes from a desire to do good, it often becomes frenzied because our egos seize our goodness as a way to be revered. I have done this many times, not wanting to say no, not wanting to miss an opportunity, not wanting to be seen as less than, not wanting to be seen as not compassionate. But wherever I cannot bring my entire being, I am not there at all. It's like offering to bring too many cups of coffee through a crowd. You always spill something hot on some innocent along the way. Helen Luke speaks to all this when she talks of the trap of good works. She refers to those who take refuge from themselves in an unreflective pursuit of good, pouring all their energy into the redemption of society and other people, while blind to their own personal darkness. It seems the old adage is a place to start. Do one thing and do it well. Though I would offer it as do one thing at a time and do it entirely, and it will lead you to the next moment of love. I love this. Let me read it again. Do one thing at a time and do it entirely, and it will lead you to the next moment of love. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. And see if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now take a moment to reflect on the many kindnesses that you feel called to do. What are they? As you breathe, nice and slow, allow your heart to glow around just one of those kind things. One of those things that you feel called to do. What is this one thing? And how does it feel to have your heart choose this one? Without too much thinking or analyzing, pray for the other things you are called to do, but vow to devote yourself today to that one thing your heart glowed around. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue with this powerful reflection. Following Mark Nepo's advice, see if you can do one thing at a time and do it entirely so that it will lead you to the next moment of love. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.